Right guys, so tag-ulan na naman, malapit na naman yung rainy season, and for me as a violinist, no, as a musician, this is the worst part of the year, not just because of the rain but because of how it actually affects the instrument. Don't get me wrong, gusto ko nga yung maulan, 'di ba? Parang nakaka-relax. Pero nakakainis mag-practice pag ganyan yung panahon. So I'll just give you a few tips that I've been using to prolong my instruments and to make sure na usable siya pagdating ng time na kailangan ko. So number one tip I always give is to store your instruments in the proper storage, no? So kung possible, lagay nyo sa isang air-conditioned room, in a cool, dry place, kasi iba talaga yung epekto ng hangin na sobrang basa, and kung umuulan pa talagang maiinis ka. Okay, alam ng mga professional violinists yan or string players, 'di ba? Kasi you know, when the air is humid, ang hirap magtono, baba ng baba, taas ng taas, nalalaglag yung mga pegs and all. Tapos yung mga bows natin nagiging sticky because of the rosin residue. So just make sure you don't try and play outside as much, no? Yung sobrang exposed ka sa, kunwari umuulan, then you have open windows and all of those things. Make sure na hindi masyadong ganun yung magiging situation nyo, kasi nakakasira talaga siya ng instrument, no? Minsan yung iba nagkakaroon ng open seams because of that. Tapos yung rosin nagbi-build up, nangingitim, kinakain na yung buong bow mo or yung buong violin mo. So ingat-ingat lang sa mga ganyan. So you make sure to always wipe your instrument clean, no? Pati yung strings natin, no, biglang madali nang kalawangin kasi nga sobrang humid, tapos yung ulan pa, nakaka-apekto talaga siya. So keep it in a cool, dry place. Make sure you wipe your instruments, no? Take care of them properly. Yan. And then also rosin, no? Yun nga, sobrang hirap magpatunog ng instrument pag basa yung rosin, no? So sometimes hindi talaga kakapit yung bow mo. So you have to put on multiple passes ng rosin nyo, no? Para to make sure that kakapit talaga yung bow. Pero you also have to constantly wipe it down kasi nga ayun na naman, dahil nga sa hangin. So it's a hard time to be a musician, to be honest, especially if you play a lot in open areas. So ano ba yung mga solutions na pwede mong gawin? Buy a carbon fiber bow if that works for you, kasi hindi siya masyado naapektuhan ng humidity and the rain, no? Okay lang kahit mabasa ng konti or whatever. Tapos make sure lang na maglagay ng ample rosin. Wag din sobra-sobra kasi yun nga, nangingitim siya, kumakapit sa bow. Yan, clean your instruments as well para maiwasan din yung mga rosin residue. And yun, mag-practice kayo ng sa loob ng isang cool, dry place. Wag natin i-try muna mag-practice sa labas. Yes, napaka-romantic ng datingan pag nasa labas ka nagpo-practice tas umuulan, pero nakakasira talaga ng instrument yan. So take care of your instruments during this rainy season. And also you could try to put silica gel sa loob ng mga cases nyo, just to be extra careful para hindi mangyari sa inyo yung pagbukas mo ng case mo, putol yung strings, putol yung mga strings ng instrument nyo, tapos syempre papalitan mo naman yun, mahal na naman yan. So yun lang, ganun lang naman, no? Pero yeah, you have to really protect your instruments. And of course, kung ang case mo hindi waterproof, make sure you always bring something to protect that, no? Yung mga bag covers, pwede yan. Or kahit kapote, lagyan mo ng kapote. Hindi natin ma-predict yung panahon, minsan uulan, minsan na araw. So always keep your instruments safe. And of course you din, no? So pag may mga events tayo, make sure you bring an umbrella, bring a jacket or a raincoat para lang din safe tayo. And good luck sa lahat ng mga gagawin nyo this rainy season, and see you on the next one.